your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
All right, big severe weather outbreak going on right here in Minnesota tonight. This has been going on all the way back to Saskatchewan. We've had wind gusts measured as high as 87 miles an hour, and you can see the tornado warning there just west of Minneapolis. And this line of storms that's racing southeastward. This is not the one that's going to hit our area, at least not this particular line of storms. Now, this is the upper trough approaching, but this line of storms will sink southeastward, and whatever's left of it will come through tomorrow morning as just some cloudiness around. Our main area of storms is right here. See these little cells bubbling up northern North Dakota? That part is what will get us tomorrow evening. In the meantime, patchy fog, 63 for the low tonight. You can see some of that patchy fog around early tomorrow morning. Some of the visibility is dropping 3/4 of a mile or less in our area. But then it's slight risk of severe weather, 6 to 11 o'clock tomorrow evening. Main threats wind, but can't rule out an isolated brief tornado or two, isolated large hail either. And we've got the slight risk up for scattered severe storms for the entire viewing area. A high of 87 tomorrow. It's going to feel like low 90s though, with the humidity increasing, and it's going to be a windy day. Wind south-southwest 15 to 30 miles an hour. Wednesday though, a mix of sun and clouds, a couple small isolated showers, but cooler with highs in the 70s, winds out of the north. Here's 18 Precision Cast. Again, this is what's left of all the storms in Minnesota. And then we watch one or two broken lines of storms that move southward through the evening. These will come through with the severe weather risk. Then they get out of here, and then we're just looking at the clouds bubbling up on Wednesday with a couple isolated showers around, and of course, that cooler weather around. There are the forecasted tracks of Hurricane Dorian, very, very close to Florida before it turns northeastward, may make a landfall in North Carolina before it moves back out to sea. And then after that, for us anyway, it's just a cool weekend with highs only 70 to 75 Saturday and Sunday with a couple isolated showers, an isolated shower, thunder shower Friday with a high of 79. And check out 3 nights with lows in the 40s. Could see some rainfall later Monday, but the trend getting into mid-September will be for temperatures to bounce back above normal and thus to get into a wetter and stormier pattern after this taste of late September, kind of early October.
The forecast looks a little bit like college football weather.
It does.
Like some decent tailgating weather.
You bet.
And then when it gets a little bit colder, we get into